Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And before getting in the build, I just want to say that I already made 2 videos on building the direct drive wheelbase. So if you haven't watched that, please check it out on the channel. For the cockpit build, I actually wanted to go with aluminum extrusion since it's really adjustable even after building it. But after knowing the cost, I just completely dropped it. It was too expensive for me. Since I already have a cheap welding machine, I decided to go with square pipes and welding. So I went with GP rectangular tubes. These are pre-galvanized rectangular pipes. They are cheaper than GI, and I bought about 1.5 pieces of them. So one piece is 6 meters long, so it's 9 meters in total, and weigh around 22 kg of material. And it cost me about 1,880 rupees, including tax. This is only my second time trying to weld rectangular tubes, so I didn't want to put holes in it while welding, unlike the last time. So I bought 16 gauge of the material, and this is a piece. It's 80 by 40 in dimension in mm. It's close to 80 by 40 because this comes in inches and my brain doesn't work in imperial. So this is how the frame looks like, and I will add the dimension and files in the description. And now let's start building. So the dimension between the seat and the wheelbase are close to a real car, since I wanted the cockpit to feel just like a normal car. And for the same reason, I made a tilt adjustment mechanism for the wheelbase, and all that part will be in the next video. And for the pedal and shifters, I actually haven't decided how should they go in or what type they should be. And if you guys have any recommendation or ideas, please leave a comment, and see you in part 2.